Meet our new Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. If you're looking for extra volume, enhanced definition, for your hair to look fuller, to have more vitamins and minerals in your hair, you need this product. I do my regular styling routine with my leave-in and my curl cream, and I just add this spray as my very last step before drying. And when I tell you I have such enhanced texture, my hair looks fuller, my hair is so much more voluminous, this spray is proven to make your hair look fuller and more volumized. 91% of users agree that it enhanced their natural texture. This is jam-packed with so many ingredients that are going to nourish, enhance, and make your hair healthier with every use. I cannot wait for y'all to try this because it's changed the game for my own curls, and I'm just obsessed.